friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I will be cooking frozen edamame in an Instant Pot. What we need for this recipe is a package of frozen edamame, a cup of water, and seasonings for the edamame. I'm just going to use salt and pepper. So let's open the Instant Pot. And let's put 1 cup of water in the Instant Pot. And now I will open a package of frozen edamame. You don't need to defrost it, we're cooking it straight from frozen. And dump the frozen edamame in the Instant Pot. And now I will close the lid of the Instant Pot. Turn the valve to a sealing position. Press the pressure cook button and set the time to 0 minutes on high pressure. Now when you set it to 0 minutes, the Instant Pot is cooking while it's coming to pressure, and 0 minutes is just the right cooking time. Now the Instant Pot is done cooking, so let's quick release the steam. Now the steam has been fully released and the pin has dropped, so let's open the lid of the Instant Pot. And here's perfectly cooked edamame. Let me remove it from the Instant Pot. So perfectly cooked edamame in an Instant Pot. That was super easy. Now let's season it. I will just sprinkle it with salt and pepper. And now let's try the edamame. So let's take a pot and open it. Look at that. Perfect. Perfectly cooked. So good. For free printable recipes and other easy Instant Pot recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.